Hello and welcome back to Ramsport. Introducing this timeless beauty for sale on behalf of our client. The 1995 Bentley Turbo S. A classic masterpiece that continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts with its unrivaled elegance and performance. A remarkable model that has gained a significant place in the history of Bentley. Step back in time and experience the luxury and refinement that this iconic vehicle has to offer. Let's delve into its captivating story. Based on the Turbo R, the Turbo S is a strictly limited edition model and introduced as a more powerful and sportier variant. With just 75 vehicles intended to be produced, and each fitted with a number plaque on the engine, only 60 units were produced, making it the rarest of the Bentley SC series, and therefore highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Distributed across the selected European, Middle Eastern and Asian markets, and only offered to the existing clients. Of the 60 vehicles produced, 29 were right-hand drive and 31 were left-hand drive. It's not only a symbol of opulence, but also a testament to the timeless design that Bentley is renowned for. This vehicle, presented in metallic red pearl with colour-coded bumpers, the paintwork glistens in the sunshine, sitting on 17-inch Continental R vented alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Latitude tyres. Red Turbo S badges mounted to the front wings and luggage compartment lid highlighted the model. Its sleek and graceful exterior lines make a bold statement wherever you go, drawing admiration from all who lay eyes on it. This vehicle is presented in metallic red pearl with colour-coded bumpers and 17-inch vented Continental R alloy wheels. You are greeted internally by contrasting cream Connolly hide with cranberry carpets and wall overmats. Meticulously crafted wood veneers with bee motifs added to the waist rails, unique to this model. An array of luxury amenities that showcase attention to detail, famous with the brand. Every inch of the interior exudes an air of refined luxury, surrounding you in a world of comfort and sophistication. The engine, termed a Blackpool version, used a Bosch Motronic fuel injection and digital ignition derived from Formula One technologies. With a larger exhaust-driven Garrett Air Research turbocharger with water-cooled intercooler, the Blackpool engine was fitted to 12 Bentley Continental S model and 3 special build choices of spirits. A viscous differential had been fitted to permit the full utilisation of the engine's brute force, with optimum traction and control. Top speeds of 155 miles per hour and 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds was a very impressive figure for a vehicle of its size and weight. The Turbo S also boasted advanced suspension and braking systems, ensuring a smooth and composed ride despite its powerful performance. It's a true grand tourer, offering a perfect blend of comfort, refinement and exhilarating driving dynamics. Safety was a top priority for this vehicle, equipped with advanced features for its time, such as anti-lock brakes, traction control and dual airbags. This vehicle offers peace of mind, ensuring you and your passengers are protected on every journey. With its turbocharged power, this magnificent machine effortlessly glides down the road, providing a smooth and exhilarating driving experience that is synonymous with the Bentley name. At 28 years of age, this vehicle still performs exceptionally. Owning one of these vehicles is more than just owning a car. It's a symbol of prestige and exclusivity. This rare and coveted gem allows you to relish in the elegance of bygone era, while still enjoying modern amenities and a driving experience that remains unparalleled. If you're a collector or an automotive enthusiast who appreciates the timeless elegance and the power of the Bentley brand, this Turbo S is the embodiment of your desires. Experience the allure of the automotive legend and let it transport you to a world of luxury and refinement. Contact our dedicated team today to explore the possibilities of owning this extraordinary vehicle. Let us guide you through the selection process and help you find the perfect combination of style, performance and prestige. Prepare to embark on a journey that transcends time and indulges your passion for the automotive excellence. Viewing of this vehicle and others we have currently for sale is by appointment only, and we look forward to showing you the vehicle and hearing from you in due course. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.